My name is Ashley Carusi, and this is my presentation on environmental assessment programs. My program was the Virginia Agricultural Stewardship Program. This program is run by the Virginia Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services and was passed in 1996. Basically, it's an investigative service that investigates farms, and when people claim that there's pollution coming from certain farms, it's not just water pollution, even though I wrote that, it's air pollution, odors, water pollution, all sorts of stuff, and we'll go and investigate those claims or farms that have violated the regulations that are put in place for pollution, and there is like a small grace period of about 18 months to start implementing best management practices to fix the problem before any judicial type stuff gets involved or law enforcement. So like I said, farmers have 18 months to correct the issue or violation that's been determined by the investigative service. But however, the service only solves issues that are created from agricultural activity and not just everyday pollution from like cars and stuff like that. Only agricultural activity will not investigate other issues. And like I said before, this investigates odors, air pollution, water pollution, various types of pollution, as long as it's caused by agricultural activity. If someone wanted to contact someone in their region about the Virginia Stewardship Act, depends on your region. In the green and yellow region, you would contact Tim Higgs or Timothy Abbott. Timothy Abbott for green, Tim Higgs for yellow. The southwest region or blue, you would contact Joseph Molosky. In the central/eastern region, which is the brown region, you would contact Daryl Marshall. In comparison to other programs, the best management practices that are enforced are extremely similar, if not the same. And there's really good participation and compliance in contrast to programs in different states such as Maryland and Vermont. And there are inspections every 2 to 3 years, and these inspection times kind of vary based on the state you're in and their own policies, but for Virginia, 2 to 3 years. Some strengths of this act are that they support best management practices, or BMPs. They reduce various forms of pollution, and they do give a small grace period, or a rather large grace period, for farmers to resolve the issue. They don't just go and take that action immediately. However, some of the weaknesses is that sometimes small farms can fly under the radar and may not be subject to the same investigations and inspections that the big farms are. They only deal with agricultural sources, and there's no guaranteed compliance from any farmer, and that just kind of creates its own issues. These are the sources I used for my presentation. Hope you enjoyed.